Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a VW Golf license plate light. This is a straightforward maintenance task that you can easily complete at home with just a few basic tools. We will walk through each step, from gathering your supplies to testing the new light. You'll learn how to safely remove the old unit and install a brand new one, ensuring your vehicle remains compliant and visible on the road. Now, let's get started by accessing the light unit. You'll typically find two small screws holding each light in place. These are often Phillips head or Torx T20. Once those are removed, use a plastic trim tool to carefully pry the unit out. This prevents any scratches to your paintwork. Take your time here, as the plastic can be delicate, especially if it's an older vehicle. With the old unit out, you'll see an electrical connector. Simply press the small tab on the connector and gently pull it apart to disconnect the old light. Now, take your new license plate light unit and connect it to the vehicle's wiring harness. Make sure you hear a click or feel it firmly seat into place. This ensures a good electrical connection for your new light. Before you fully secure everything, it's a good idea to turn on your vehicle's lights and confirm the new license plate light is working correctly. Once confirmed, carefully push the new unit back into its mounting hole until it sits flush with the bumper. Finally, reinsert and gently tighten the two retaining screws. Avoid over-tightening to prevent stripping the plastic threads. You've successfully replaced your VW Golf license plate light.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.